So here's some really nice shape breathing techniques. So the first one is a triangle, and we just get our finger and we're going to draw around the triangle, but we're going to use our breath as we go. So we breathe in as we go up, hold your breath as you go down, and breathe out as you go along.
How long would you breathe in for and breathe out for? 3 seconds-ish?
Yeah.
So breathing in.
Should we have a go?
Yeah, so breathing in,
hold, and breathe out. So it's nice, slow, controlled breathing.
Yeah.
It's that kind of slow thought process is really going to help to settle the brain.
It is, because that's all they'll be focused on. Another one I like to use is star or hand breathing.
Yeah.
So you'll breathe in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. And this is something they can focus on visually. They can see it. I love this one. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, and then breathing out. And you can even do it on the other hand as well. That's a really nice one I like to use. There's one more though, there's a square as well.
Yeah, the square. So the square is slightly different. Starting at the top corner, breathing in as you go along, hold the breath as you go down, breathe out along the bottom, and hold the breath as you come back up. So that is a much slower process. So if you're finding that they really need to focus and calm down, the square is a really good one for that.
Absolutely. So shape breathing, and that can be used with the grumpy jar, and also other areas that you might feel that they just need to take a step back and just have a moment just to
reset.
reset. Absolutely. So shape breathing is wonderful.